Good morning, students. The lesson number 5, fractions. What are the fractions and how we understand about the fractions? Fractions, type of fractions. The syllabus of the chapter is fractions. This is the fractions. Type of fractions. Fractions on a number line. Equivalent fractions. Fractions in simplest form. Equivalent fractions, comparing fractions, ascending and descending order of fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. First, we want to start the definition of fractions. What is the fractions? Fractions as a part of whole. This is a whole. This is a whole. A fraction is a number representing a part of a whole. This is a whole thing, a circle, and this is a square, and this is a rectangle. When each of these shapes is divided into two equal parts, each part is one half of the whole. One half is a fraction. We divide the circle in two equal parts, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, and we divide the square in two equal parts, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, and the rectangle also in two parts, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. When each of these shapes is divided into three equal parts, each part is 1/3 of the whole. This is the whole circle, the whole square, and divide it in three equal parts, then it become 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. Square also become 1 by 3, 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. It means we take the first part in the three part of the square, and this is the one part of 3, and this is the one part of 3, and this is the one part of three equal parts of the rectangle, and this is the one part of the three equal parts of the circle. And next, fraction as a part of collection. Fractions can also be part of a collection. We collect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles. Unit out of a collection of 9 circles, 7 are blue colored. 7 are blue colored, so it says 7 upon 9. The fraction for blue colored circle is 7 upon 9. Read as 7/9. This is the homework for you. And next is representation of a fractions on the number line. We have learned to represent whole numbers on the number line. We can also show fractions on the number line. We have learned about the represent of whole numbers. 0 and 1 are the whole numbers, and next the 2, next 3. Let us draw a number line. This is a number line. We know that 1 upon 2 is greater than 0 but less than 1. It should be lies between 0 and 1, we divide the length between 0 and 1 into two equal parts and show one part as 1 by 2. This is the 1 from 2 and divide into two equal parts, or the middle part is called the 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1. The types of the fractions are proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. First, we take the proper fractions. In a proper fractions, the denominator shows the number of parts into which the whole is divided, and the numerator shows the number of parts which have been considered a fractions whose numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fractions. A proper fractions is always less than 1. For example, 5 upon 7, the numerator is less than the denominator. 5 is less than 7, 3 is less than 5, and 1 is less than 3 are the proper fractions. Proper fractions is always less than 1. 5 upon 7 is less than 1, 3 upon 5 is less than 1, and 1 upon 3 is less than 1. Improper fractions. A fraction whose greater than or equal to the denominator is called a improper fractions. For example, 9 upon 4 means there are 9 parts. Each part is 1 upon 4 of a whole. 9 quarters are shaded. This is 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 4 and 4, 8, 8 and 1, 9. 9 upon 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, 7 upon 5 are greater than 1. 8 upon 3 and 4 upon 3 are improper fractions. Mixed fraction. A fraction which is combination of a whole number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction or mixed number. It means this is a whole number 1 and this is a proper fractions because the 3 is less than 4. 3 upon 4 is a proper fractions and 1 is whole. This is called a mixed fraction. For example, 2 and 1 upon third is a mixed fraction. 3 and 2 fifth is a mixed fraction. 4 and 2 seventh are mixed fractions. Remark, all mixed fractions can be expressed as improper fractions because 3 2 are 6 and 1 7 upon 3 is a improper fraction. 5 3 are 15 and 2 17 upon 5 is a improper fractions. 4 upon 7 4 are 28 and 2 30 upon 7 is a improper fraction. So all mixed fractions can be expressed as the improper fractions. Okay, thank you.